Katie, and your name is?
Am I supposed to come down here?
Yes. Stand here. So Katie and am I supposed to come down here today? Okay, actually, okay, so
Yes.
Am I supposed to come down here? You're here? So, Ben.
No, it's not.
Okay, so right up, we're gonna, if you want to, just take the microphone out and hold it right up close. So what happens here is we're going to be asking you guys to create all the sound effects for the people in our scene, and those two people are Wes and Nathan.
Oh boy.
So what's going to happen here is that Katie, for all the sound effects, you get to create all sound effects for Wes, as our guy closer to you then, and Ben, you get to create all sound effects for Nathan there. So Katie, for example, if Wes was petting a little kitten, what would that sound like? Right here. And Ben, if Nathan were slapping a duck, what would that sound like?
Quack. Ow.
I like him.
He's gone. Okay, because of course we're at the genre convention. Let's make up the title of a sci-fi show, just a spacey sci-fi show. Okay? What?
Dr. Aquaman.
What's that?
Dr. Aquaman.
Dr. Aquaman. Okay, without copyright infringing on the actual Aquaman, different Aquaman. So the Adventures of Doctor Aquaman, which sounds provided by Katie, and am I supposed to come down here? Go!
How's the water doing? I think it might be ill.
Splish sploosh.
Doctor, sorry, I'm mixing up an agent. It's very dangerous work. Sorry. Your son? I have some unfortunate news.
Sounds really unfortunate.
Questions?
Yeah?
You were babies.
Explains a lot, actually. Yeah.
I genetically engineered you to have the powers of both a doctor and a fish. You, my son, shall go out into the world. But first,
I'll heal the ocean.
yes, the ocean which is polluted, while being
So I can swim with a stethoscope. That's really all my powers.
That sound Herky makes.
let's drink this toast.
All right.
Glug, 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 glug.
Whoa, that was. I feel.
3 days have passed.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
So the ocean's really a mess right now.
Absolutely. Let's go.
Stethoscope. Scalpel.
Scalpel.
I don't know what I need either of these for.
Sploosh.
I shall follow you, son. I shall be your sidekick.
Sploosh.
Nurse. Fish bear.
I think we're almost there.
Where are we going, son?
We're trusting in the heart of the ocean.
Look.
The heart.
It looks
Kind of.
like the Exxon Valdez.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's some years ago.
Oh, it's coming back to life.
Oh, I made you the
No,
superhero.
here's the scalpel. Here's
What am I doing?
There's the potion. You're the superhero. I'll be your sidekick.
No. I give it to you.
I believe in you, Dad. You made me in tubes. Stop